the starting line.
Okay, here we go, girls. On your mark.
Top seed here in Heat 2, Canyon, out of Anaheim Hills.
Let's go! go, Emily!
You got this, Anna!
Go, Lily.
Let's go, Anna! Focus here! You got this, Anna! One Ayala, let's go! Just this way, let's go, Anna!
Norco comfortably in third place.
Finish all the way through. Great job, great job, great job. Great race, great race.
Meanwhile, Mile Fernando of Glendora currently in fourth place. Frazzoni and Oliva, the two teammates from Canyon, currently fifth and sixth. That's Castagna of Westlake in seventh. And Veramontes of Santa Fe. So 17:57, your fastest time of the day.
There we go, there we go. Great job, King. Go ahead and get some water, right? Great race.
Our first under 18 minutes, the junior out of Peninsula, 17:57, Aisling Cananan.
Great job. Go ahead and get some water, okay? There we go. Finish through, ladies. Finish through, ladies. Finish all the way through. All the way through, all the way through. Great job, ladies. Great job, ladies. Keep walking forward, ladies. Come get some water. Great job, King. Go ahead and get some water. Great race. There we go. There we go.
So Sadie Engelhardt of Ventura, you saw Barker from Laguna Hills out of Division 4 being one of the top freshmen in the nation. Well, now you have Engelhardt from Ventura here representing Division 2. She's making her debut here on the full course at Mount Sac as well, and has now extended that lead to about 20 yards as she reached the top of Polite Peak.
Yeah, I did your ride. Super good. It's gonna be a good day.
There we go. Great. Come get some water.
So in that team race, Canyon out of Anaheim came in as your number 1 seed.
Keep working, ladies. Come on. Come on.
And Westlake and Peninsula for your number 2 and 3 seeds. So right now, everything living true to form, those top 3 spots.
There we go.
Callanan, though, 17:57. Hadley, 18:45. Hutchings of Norco, she'll make her way on to the CIF finals as an individual next week at 19 flat. Fernando of Glendora at 19:13. Frazzoni and Oliva of Canyon both crossing together at 19:14. And Castagna leading that Westlake crew at 19:21. Veramontes of Santa Fe.
There we go. Finish through, ladies. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go. Finish. Great job, ladies. All the way through the line. All the way through the line. There we go. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up. Get some water.
So folks, we need all Division 5 coaches to come to the management table. If you can go to the CIF-Southern section management table, all the Division 5 coaches that are currently showing up.
Come get some water. Do your best to keep moving. Come get some water.
Boys and girls, and due to the heat that continues to go up, we are going to make a decision here momentarily. So we need all Division 5 boys and girls head coaches to come up and meet with the CIF management team.
There we go. Go ahead and get some water. Great race. Finish through, ladies. There we go. Come get some water. Come get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving, okay? Control your breathing. Keep pressing into your nose, out through your mouth. There we go. All right, there we go. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, ladies. Go ahead and get some water, ladies. Control your breathing, okay? Great job. Great job. Get some water. Finish, ladies. Finish, ladies. All the way through. There we go. There we go. Finish. Good.
And And Englehart continue to put on a show here. Again, 9th grader out of Ventura High School.
Great race. Great race. Finish. All the way through. Great job, man. Get some water. Great job, man.
And Denise Chin, the sophomore out of Claremont, moving well here and now trying to chase down Englehart. Meanwhile, Zedevaj of Portola, again, state meet qualifier from 2 years ago, currently in 3rd. And Marcal Lura, that is, junior out of Dana Hills, currently in 4th. So again, all Division 5 boys and girls head coaches, we do need you to meet with the CIF management team. Meanwhile, this is the concluding here about midway through our Division 3, our 3rd heat of Division 2. So the CIF management table is right next to the merchandise tent, right up against, just to the right, or right behind the scoreboard there at the newly renovated Mount Sac facility.
Let's finish. Let's get all the way to the line. Finish. There we go. Great job, ladies. Get some water. Go ahead and get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving. There we go. Finish. Oh, let's get some water. Ladies. Y'all do your best to keep moving. Keep breathing. Keep moving. I know. Just focus on deep breaths in your nose, out your mouth. Y'all control your breathing. Finish through, ladies. Let's get all the way through finish line.
So again, all Division 5 boys and girls head coaches, if you guys can meet with our CIF management crew, you're going to meet right in front of the storage shed, just to the left of the merchandise tent. So again, it's imperative all Division 5 coaches meet with the CIF management team right in front of the storage facility and just to the left of the merchandise tent. Englehart, the 9th grader out of Ventura, coming across the 2-mile mark at 11:50. Meanwhile, Chen of Claremont giving chase.
You're almost there. Great job. Go ahead and get some water, okay? Great.
Chen of Claremont currently in 2nd, going past the 2-mile mark, and Marco of Dana Hills right there in her shadow. Meanwhile, going back to the team scoring in Heat 2, we got Canyon. They're going to move on easily. Westlake will punch their ticket onward to next Saturday. Murrieta Valley, 3rd place in the Southwestern League, taking 3rd here in the 2nd heat of Division 2. They will make their way back to the CIF Finals. Peninsula High School securing that 4th spot, and Glendora right now in that 5th spot. Glendora, 5th spot, right ahead of Serrano, who will be fighting it out with the team times there. So Glendora will get that 5th spot.
Great race, ladies. Finish. Let's finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Great job. Go ahead and get some water, okay?